Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transform your body in just 4 weeks, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 exercises that can help you achieve amazing results. So, grab your workout gear and let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, remember that consistency is key. Pair these workouts with a balanced diet, and you'll be on your way to a fitter you. Let's kick things off with our first exercise. Exercise 1. Squats. First up, we have squats. This powerhouse move targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, and keep your chest up. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Trust me, your legs will thank you. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Next, we have push-ups. This classic exercise works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Studies indicate that push-ups can enhance upper body strength and endurance. To do a push-up, start in a plank position, lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, and push back up. If you're a beginner, you can modify by doing them on your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Planks. Coming in at number 3, we have planks. This exercise is fantastic for building core strength and stability. Research shows that a strong core can improve your overall athletic performance and reduce the risk of injury. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Aim for 3 sets, and as you get stronger, try to increase your hold time. Exercise 4. Lunges. Next up, we have lunges. Lunges are excellent for targeting your legs and glutes while also improving balance. Studies have shown that lunges can enhance lower body strength and flexibility. To perform a lunge, step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on each leg. Exercise 5. Burpees. And finally, we have burpees. This full-body exercise is a great way to boost your cardiovascular fitness while building strength. Research indicates that burpees can improve your endurance and burn calories effectively. To do a burpee, start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, return to the squat position, and jump up explosively. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. They're tough, but they're worth it. There you have it. Those are the top 5 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.